Oh, Tom.
Hello, Anne.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
Fine, thanks. Oh, you have got a new school bag.
Yes, I have. It's new. It's red and yellow. I like it very much.
What have you got in your school bag?
I have got a notebook, a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener.
Have you got a book in your school bag?
No, I haven't. What have you got in your school bag?
I have got a book and crayons.
Okay, let's go to the classroom. Good morning, Mr. Brown. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Anna. Come in and sit down. Tom, you have got a new school bag. It's very nice. Look, I have got a notebook, a pencil, an eraser, and a sharpener in my school bag. What color is your notebook? It is blue. What color is your pencil? It is black. Have you got a pen? No, I haven't. Okay, Tom. Thank you. Jack, have you got a ruler? Yes, I have. What color is your ruler? It is yellow. Have you got a pencil case? Yes, I have. What color is your pencil case? It is pink and purple. Thank you, Jack. Let's revise the following words. A pencil case, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, crayons, a sharpener, a notebook, a school bag, a pen, paper clips. Let's revise the following questions and answers. I have got a notebook. I haven't got a pencil case. Have you got a pencil case? Yes, I have. Have you got a notebook? No, I haven't. He has got a pencil case. He hasn't got a notebook.